welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to create a fun press-on acrylic set with press-on nails and acrylic over for St. Patrick's Day. So you guys saw all of the colors I'm using there. I used Secret Nail Affair, some Sierra Robles, and Do-Si-Do from Sierra Robles, as well as the MVP Chameleon Micro Shards collection. I'm going to do a fun St. Patrick's Day design. We're going to be doing shimmery greens and pinks with a fun glitter accent nail. I am using a Nail Supply Glamour number 8 brush. I got this in a recent giveaway I won. I will be doing a haul for that giveaway soon so you guys can see everything. And I'm using the s&mnailcandi monomer as always. I have these full cover nails on. These are XXL full cover nails. These are from AliExpress. And I am applying the Sierra Robles color here. This is a cover pink by her. And I am applying this onto the nails. And you guys can see how I am doing that there, pressing the acrylic into place and then swiping it through. Really easy, you guys, to do. I really enjoyed the consistency of her powders. Super creamy, not runny at all, and they worked really nicely. So highly recommend. And I am doing that on this middle finger here. And then later on, we are gonna apply some of that MVP Chameleon Shards. It's a beautiful green, orange, brown shift in a design across the nails. And again, these are all over full cover nails. So you guys can see, I thought I would use this color, but I changed it up. You guys are gonna see which color I'm gonna use here in a second. So as I told you guys, this is the MVP Micro Shards, Chameleon Micro Shards collection. They're all little, super small micro shards, and they're all chameleon. They're pre-mixed with acrylic. Absolutely beautiful, go on gorgeously. And this color that I'm using here is like a green brown shift. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'm sorry I'm out of frame here, but I'm creating like an S pattern over the Sierra Robles cover pink. So I did that on the ring finger, and then I'm gonna continue using the Sierra Robles color on the other nails. So I'm so sorry I'm out of frame for a lot, but I wanted you guys to see that little S pattern that I created on the nail. And then I'm going in with Secret Nail Affair. This is a green color. I got it in my nail swap box from Rachel's Nail Glam, and let me tell you guys, this color is like liquid green sparkle. It is so beautiful. I mean, these acrylics were so pretty, you guys. I didn't even top coat the nails. The color is like sparkly, shimmery green. It's absolutely stunning. Wait till you see the reveal. So here on the pinky nail, guys, I'm using the Do-Si-Do color. It is like a beautiful pastel purple with some little purple glitters in there. Really pretty. And I am just touching up this Secret Nail Affair. I did find that the powder set super slow, so it took a while to work with, but you guys can see the shimmer on that green that I'm talking about. It is stunning. And then I went in and kind of did a freehand color blocking with the MVP Chameleon Micro Shards, this green one here. And what I did was I kind of went back and forth between the Do-Si-Do color and then the Chameleon Micro Shards green, and I did like a slanted angle freehand color blocking. So I found that was really pretty to do on the pinky. So because the Secret Nail Affair acrylic dried so slowly, I found that I had some patchiness and it was hard kind of to go over it. But I mean, this color was so worth it. It's so pretty. So just to fill up some of that patchiness, I found I had to go like over and over because the acrylic was a little bit too runny. But it was so worth it in the end. You guys can see how pretty these are. I did not even top coat them. These are gorgeous St. Patty's nails. These are press-ons with acrylic over, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!